I'll guide you through how to transfer money from PayPal to a bank without getting confused about fees or transfer times. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, tap your PayPal balance on the home screen and then tap Transfer Money to begin the transfer process. Tap Transfer to Bank to select your destination. Before we start, ensure your bank account or debit card is fully confirmed and linked to your PayPal wallet for a smooth, secure withdrawal. Select your linked bank account to confirm where the money will be sent. Next, you must choose your speed. Choose Instant if you need the money immediately but expect a small fee. Choose Standard if you prefer the transfer to be free but understand it will take longer. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the transfer details on the final review screen before you click Transfer to ensure your money goes to the right place. Tap Transfer Now to confirm the transaction. This process uses PayPal's secure systems, and you can track the status of your transfer at any time in your PayPal activity log. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.